Don't worry, this tube cream would fit all your acne spots. I don't know why my skin has been dry and dull recently and I don't know exactly what to use. Yes I do. Sunscreens. You guys, in today's video, I'm going to help you to be laser focused on the kind of sunscreen that you should purchase for your skin. You will no longer fall for marketing gimmicks, skincare influencers telling you, oh, this is the best sunscreen I've ever used. You guys will absolutely love it, and then you buy it, you don't like it, or you feel like your skin has an allergic reaction to it. No more, because in today's video, I'm going to help you to know everything you need to know about sunscreen. Now, we have two major categories of sunscreens. We have chemical sunscreens and we have mineral sunscreens. Now, chemical sunscreens contain lab synthesized chemicals that are used in sunscreens to provide sun blocking benefits to the skin, while mineral sunscreens contain what? Naturally occurring sunscreen ingredients. So think of titanium dioxide or titanium oxide, zinc oxide as ingredients in mineral sunscreens, and then think of chemical sunscreens containing lab synthesized chemical ingredients that are used to formulate these sunscreens. All right, now as a rule of thumb, let me just tell you now, when you put or you Google the name of your sunscreen, the one you have in mind that you want to buy, these are 3 harmful chemicals that you need to have at the back of your mind that you must never allow to touch your skin. They include oxybenzone, avobenzone, and oxytonate. Otherwise, you're going to have that skin burning sensation, itchiness, tinginess, itchiness. Have I mentioned itchiness again? Allergic reactions. Your skin feels like it is burning or it is hot, and that's because those chemicals are not exactly friendly to the skin. 4 major things play a key role when you're considering the kind of sunscreen that you should get for your skin. Number 1, your skin type. Number 2, the packaging of the product. Number 3, the formula. Number 4, your skin texture. 4 major things you need to consider when you're trying to choose a sunscreen for your skin, especially the one that will meet your lifestyle needs. Because some of us work in the office and some of us are entrepreneurs and we are always outside for a long period of time in the sun. So you need to know which category that you fall under. Now, when it comes to knowing your skin texture, do you have is your skin very textured? Are your pores so visible? Okay, you have large appearance of pores on your skin, or is your skin pore fine grained? Fine grained just means that of course you have pores, but it is not so noticeable. The kind of sunscreen that you will get if you fall under this category is going to be completely different from someone whose skin is textured. Okay, now under skin type, we have oily, normal, acne prone, combination, dry skin, sensitive. You need to know if you're a combination of 2 or more or just one. This will depict and will help you to know the kind of sunscreen that you will use that will not give you any kind of reaction or that you would absolutely feel your best in. Now, product formula and what? Packaging. When it comes to product formula, is it liquidy? Is it tacky? Is it greasy? Does it feel oily on the skin? This is what it means to consider the formulation of a product. Now, lastly, packaging. Is it in a tube formula or it's in a stick formula? You need to understand this too, because I see a lot of people getting products, especially sunscreens, that you don't particularly enjoy using, and it might be because of one of these 3 or 4 reasons that I've just tried to describe to you in a short period of time. Now, let's consider my own top shelf choices. Cosrx Aloe Sun Soothing Sun Cream. Now, from the name alone, it is a cream, meaning it is rich, greasy, has a lot of texture to it. Now, you just hearing that alone should tell you that if your skin is dry, normal, this will be the best sunscreen for you, because of course it is greasy, it has a little bit of weight, it is creamy, it has a aloe, which is an hydrating ingredient inside it that will really help to cushion and to also keep your skin moisturized while offering sunscreen benefits. All right, now you also hearing that should tell you that if your skin is acne prone, oily combination, this is not going to work for you. All right, because of how thick and rich the formula is. This product retails for 7,500 naira, comes in a very flat tube formula in 50 ml quantity. I absolutely love it, other than the fact that it also has skin friendly antioxidants and hydrating ingredients inside it, I also love that every time I use it, I'm able to just walk it into my skin and I feel really, really pampered even though I'm using sunscreen. See guys, the formulation of your sunscreen will determine whether you will enjoy using it every day or not. If you find yourself always gravitating against or away from your sunscreen, chances are that you are not using the one that is best suited for you. So when you know all these things, you will know, okay, this formula is not good for me. Now also, if your skin is textured, Cosrx Sun Aloe is not the best for you. Why? Because it is a greasy rich formula and your skin already has a large appearance of pores. You want to use something that is liquidy, that will not make your skin feel heavy, because already the pores are so obvious, and that's because your skin is probably oily too. So you want to use something that is liquidy, has more water content inside it, as against this Cosrx Sun Aloe sun cream that is very, very rich, greasy, and thick. Isntree airy hyaluronic acid sun stick. Now when you hear the word sun stick, is that one that is in a stick formula that you roll up like this? Now this sun stick, the first question that comes to mind is this, and a lot of people have asked me, Enela, if I have a sun stick, do I also need a sunscreen? Now the answer to that is yes. Now the reason why is this: sunscreens, especially the ones that come in liquidy formulas or cream formulas, are easy to just apply on the skin during the day. But this is the con: they are not good for reapplication, especially when you have makeup on like me, like this in the office. And this is where the last fact that I brought into the equation before comes into play again, which is that you need to consider your lifestyle. Are you the kind of person that you're a 9 to 5, you work for long hours at the office, and you know that you'll be typing for a long period of time, you are not outside, then a suns and you are always on makeup, okay? You go to work with makeup on your face, then you buying both a sun cream and a sun stick is going to be best for you, okay? And you can just use the cream on your face before you start applying your makeup in the morning. While you're at the office, you can touch up with a sun stick just for reapplication. But if you're an entrepreneur, you work outside, you run errands a lot of the times, and you're mostly without makeup, then one simple sun cream will be best for you, because you don't have makeup on. It will be easy for you to continue to just reapply it on your face. So personally, I have both a sunscreen and a sun stick. Now with this formula, the Isntree hyaluronic acid airy sun stick, it contains hyaluronic acid and a lot of skin-friendly antioxidants, meaning you're not just getting sunscreen benefits, your skin is also getting beautiful benefits that helps to nourish it. That's a great quantity. I feel like if you get that sun stick, you will continue to roll it up and roll it up for a long period of time and continue to use it. You can get a lot of uses when you buy the sun stick. Now when it comes to quantity, like I mentioned earlier, thumbs up to that, because most sun sticks always last for a long period of time. This particular sun stick, compared to the others that I've tried, is my favorite, and that's because it has a dry impact satin finish on the skin, meaning when you apply it all over your face, especially as reapplication, you won't exactly feel that weight that a sun cream will give your skin. And this one, compared to the others that I've tried, is just airy and lightweight on the skin. I've used a particular sun stick that also felt like I had weight on my face, and that's because the formula is a bit thick or rich. But that's okay, because my skin is normal combination spectrum and I can get away with using absolutely any kind of product formula. Next one that I want to review for you guys is the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen with rice and probiotics. Now this is the first sunscreen that I've come in contact with that the manufacturers actually said that okay, it's an organic sunscreen, and that got me thinking, organic, what do you mean by organic? It's either mineral or chemical. Why are you organic? Why are you trying to prove smart? So I went into my INCI decoder directory website and I started looking at all the ingredients inside this particular formula, and guess what? It turns out that it is also a chemical sunscreen. It is just that the manufacturers feel like, okay, by offering natural skincare benefits in its organic form added to this product formulation, it will help to give the consumer more trust in the product and also help to protect the skin of the consumer. And that's fair enough. I absolutely love that. Please note that all the sunscreens that I've reviewed earlier has SPF 50 and offer a universal coverage. Universal coverage just means that both UVA and UVB. Now the reason why 2 coverage is important is because you don't want to just be protecting your skin from ultraviolet burning rays. You also want to make sure that you're protecting your skin from fast aging on the face, aging on the neck, aging on the exposed body parts, and that's why you need both coverage in your sunscreen. Now mind you, when a manufacturer includes a lot of organic skincare products in its formulation, it means that it will not be suited for a lot of skin types. And first on that cadre is sensitive skin. If your skin is sensitive, your skin is going to have an adverse reaction to this particular sunscreen because of its organic content. That means that your skin does not want anything that has not been thoroughly refined or in a very suitable condition. So if your skin is sensitive, a lot of people said that, okay, this really threw my skin off balance. My sensitive skin does not like this. I don't like it at all. But if your skin is oily, you will find this product very good for your skin because it has a satin finish on the face. If your skin is also normal combination, you would also love this particular sunscreen. The last one, which is my absolute favorite that I've tried before, is the Kose Suncut UV Perfect Gel. I absolutely love this product. But now let me start with the con. The con of this product is that it does not have enough viscosity. Let me explain what viscosity means. Now, viscosity means that how do you get the product to get worked into your skin pores, okay? Like when you apply this product as a cream, you do know you have to rub it in, right? Does it rub in easily or does it feel like it's unmovable? That is exactly what viscosity means. So viscosity also means that, okay, is this something that penetrates into your skin easily or will it just stay on the surface of your skin? Is how much the product is able to move, probably in the product packaging or while you're trying to rub it on your skin. So now, when it comes to the Kose Suncut UV Perfect Gel, the viscosity is very low, okay? So that means that it doesn't move easily on the skin. But I find that when I just apply it on my face and I just leave it like that, it penetrates into my skin easily because it has a lot of liquid content, a lot of aqua, a lot of humectant, a lot of glycerin that just allows the product to easily penetrate into the skin. Now, using a sunscreen that is liquidy just means that if your skin is oily, acne prone, this is the best bet for you because you don't want to be adding more grease to your face. You want something that is just liquidy, non-greasy, non-tacky, and that will just sit on your skin without adding any extra weight to your skin. Alright, so this is the best product for you if you fall under those categories. But if your skin is normal combination, you can use any of the ones that I've even mentioned before, except if you're very picky like me. Alright, so now when it comes to the Kose Suncut UV Perfect Gel, it also contains a skin antioxidant called chamomile flower extract, and I think that's why I just find it very soothing for my skin also. This is the one sunscreen that comes in 100 ml, so you're getting a lot of quantity when you use this particular sunscreen. That means if you buy it for that 9,000, you're getting twice as much as you're going to get from the sun stick, from the Cosrx, and from the beauty of Joseon. In my opinion, it's a win-win and I like a good deal, so I always try to get my hands on the Suncut UV Perfect Gel. Yes, now with every sunscreen that is rating 50 SPF 50 PA+++, please, you need to make sure that you're reapplying it if you're going to be in the sun for more than 2 hours. This is just a rule of thumb for me. This is not a prerequisite or anything. This is just what I do. Now, going back to the first question that I tried to answer in the beginning, which is if your skin has been feeling dull and dry and chapped and unattractive recently, and you know you also have brightening ingredients in your skincare routine, probably the next point of call is to make sure that you're protecting your skin from what? From harmful sun exposure. Especially if you're also dealing with acne spots like me, I found out that not just using melanin inhibiting skincare products like kojic acid, vitamin C, I've also found out that using a lot of sunscreen and reapplying it during the day helps my acne spots to fade faster. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of information packed in such a short period of time. If you found this video very helpful, please give me a huge thumbs up and share this content with your friend because they might be looking for a sunscreen and they don't know what to buy, but you can help them because you watched this video.